Okay, we tried to put the cover on, it didn't fit, so we do a little zip tying. Tie this thing up here. Did we tighten up this crossover brace on the brake line? I think we got to check that. I don't think we fully torqued this maybe.
Yeah, we did not. That was just
kind of mocked up a little bit, so we got to make sure that's full tight. Cover up all our loose ends. No half done stuff. Still got an open plug there. Well, looks like it's in there. Let's get a bunch of those white ones you have. You can do all this stuff in white over in here.
Put them away. Myself.
Thought they were laying on the ground. You were cleaning up too much, huh?
OCD, you know.
He keeps putting all the tools away.
Did you find out what these clips are for?
Every time I turn around, he's putting the tools back away.
That's what I do. Keep cleaning them. That didn't work. There's a hole up there for that. There we go.
You like that?
I got that one figured out. Kind of. That's disconnected. That's good. How come my ass is getting so hot? Oh.
You got an ass warmer there.
It is an ass
That's
warmer.
extra. Those aren't free. That is costs you extra.
It is warming my ass up quite a bit. Actually, it's more my leg more than anything. Back of my leg's getting really hot.
You've been crying about being cold the whole time you've been here.
No, I got my sweatshirt on.
I'm so cold.
I got my sweater shirt on now.
So cold. And then he complains about being too hot. Oh, I'm too hot.
Yeah.
Damn.
I'm a bleeding thumb. Okay, so that was a Torx up under there, I'm guessing. Is it the one that's missing? 'Which one do you think it is? It's that one. Because we're missing one. Where's the one we're missing? Do you know where it's at? Where are your ratchets? Oh, over here. Torx. I don't see a Torx bit anywhere. We're missing a Torx. Big one. We don't need them for this too. It's probably the same one. I don't see it laying here.
Oh, I know where it's at.
Mixed up with my tools?
It's on the yellow gun.
Oh yeah, we did the rear rack.
Right
Yep, there it is. Resembles that. Pull the whole thing off. Back out of the way. Okay. Where'd our cover go to? Cover. Hiding stuff for me.
Got radio problems, but it's not the top of our priority list.
That's not a priority item?
It's not for me. Because I juice all my radio into my helmet.
This doesn't fit. Supposed to go upside down? I'm doing something wrong.
I'll get to that in a moment.
Oh, there it goes. I got it.
Check all the fuses.
Oh, this thing rolls up in there. Oh, okay, look at that. Fancy. Where'd this go? Just sit here? Just sits there and rattle?
I think it goes onto the cover, slides into the cover or something. I can't remember it.
Clip this. Clip goes in the cover. Like that? Okay, perfect. Figured it out. And it wasn't that hard. Whoop, it fell off again. It's not a very secure method. And a blue side cover. Resembles this.
Resembling.
One, two.
3.
I think that one in there. I think that one, wherever the button is. Okay, how's our battery charge? When it's fully charged, you got a green light on it, I guess?
Yeah.
Okay, we got 2 reds going to orange.
Okay.
I think it's trying to charge this thing up.
Let's see.
Was it fully charged before, you think, or
It
no?
was. It came out in the morning.
It had a green light on it?
Green.
Green, green, green?
Touch the starter. Red.
Yeah, one button, it went down 2 reds. Sure comes up slow for being a bad battery. Usually bad batteries come really quick.
You have failed.
Okay, this you're gonna have to dial your suspension in it too. Okay, this I think we're just laying around here someplace like that. Who knows?
Are you harassing me? Are you gonna harass your dad all morning with that stupid ball? Huh? Harass me?
Today's bowl day.
Huh?
Oh, this off of? Take this off of something.
Yeah, I gotta pull this back off. It goes right there. It's 3 bolts.
Is that a thing that matters or doesn't matter?
I mean, it matters enough that it's gonna take me 10 minutes to put it back on. I'm gonna handle it.
Okay, so we got
I'm not gonna look at that ugly thing.
to pull the dash back up then, is what you're saying?
It's an easy peasy.
Easy peasy, peasy, easy.
Easy lemon squeezy.
Okay, where is the easy peasy tools at? I'm thinking 1/4 inch.
Do that.
We'll take his miniature tool. He likes his little miniature tools.
I do.
Corks in my head.
I like the small ones.
You again? No, I got work to do. Oh, it's your fault I dropped it.
Hey.
I dropped it. Oh, I grabbed the wrong one. Damn, I guessed wrong.
Yeah, that's what happens.
It's hard to get good help.
What you get for guessing.
I'll try this one. You again. He's back.
She's tenacity with a T, capital T. That dog.
Just waiting for me to do something.
She's like, come on,
I only need 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Every 2 minutes it needs 30 seconds. Actually, about every 30 seconds it needs 30 seconds. You come back quick.
man. She's like, how about now? Ready.
You can tell that dog is awake. Got a toy in his mouth, all over your butt.
She comes and greets him every first thing in the morning.
As soon as that door opens up, it's bam, it's there.
Right on.
What do we have for gas for this bike, remember?
Not tinky.
Got a gallon can somewhere?
Yeah.
Okay, I got the back bolt off. Where's the other bolt at? These 2 in the front,
Yeah.
up underneath the lid?
Yeah. One here, one here.
Oh, that's that screw thing you had. That's the lock, I guess.
It's best if you put the lid back on here unless you want those to go in there.
I would never lose parts in the gasket tank.
This would be fun. They're long bolts. You don't have to worry about. It's this guy right here that you have to worry about. That should fall right in there for you.
I'll just drop the whole ratchet in there too. I am fully capable. Oh, to clip this one in. That doesn't have an eyelet on that clip, it's just a spade. You know, the problem is you don't have a thumb thing on this thing to make it go faster.
You know what it is?
Yeah.
See, this needs to get tied up here.
You again. You again. You again.
It's you again.
Where'd that clip go? Where's that clip? Okay, where's the... It's hard to do these things. So how often do you drop stuff inside your tank?
Try not to. As much fun as it is.
It's fun, especially with stainless hardware. Uh oh, what was that noise?
I'm not happy with somebody.
Oh, it's got a new rug to lay on. Look at that. Got a new place to sleep. Okay. Come out.
I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do about blinkers on the phones. I don't use blinkers, but
That's not a blinker. Little custom ones on there. Little dinky ones. Okay. What do you do to this thing?
I basically broke it.
You broke it?
You just gotta shove it in there and then,
Like that?
yeah, and then that thing screws onto it.
Nuts over there.
I think I abused the nut a little bit.
You abused a nut. You abused a nut. He's a nut abuser. Only one, though, not two.
See if I broke it off.
Well, I don't know how you're supposed to screw it on and off that stupid snap up lid on there. How's that work? Sure hell can't spin the damn thing on the inside here, whatever this thing is. How are you supposed to screw it on?
Maybe we'll just glue this bitch on there. Be like, ooh, it's all done. I don't remember what I did last time. Oh, I see. So you go like that. See, it's got a little.
It's a separate nut, okay. It's a cover assembly and a nut.
Yeah, so.
Stronger holding power there.
This thing could make you cuss, I promise.
Looks custom.
Cuss tone.
Yes. Is that for your walkie-talkie connection?
Yeah. Big old 10-4. I left it on here for the next geezer that's gonna buy this geezer glide when I decide to get rid of it.
CB connection?
I might be interested in trading for a dyno if anybody out there wants to trade. Now that we've gone through everything,
You don't
because
have a dyno?
at the end of the project, I just want to build something else. So everybody out there in
You want to go from a road turd to a dyno?
YouTube land wants to trade for a dyna, basically bone stock of some sort, I'll entertain it. If you're wondering what's happened to this motorcycle, you can watch the 19 million videos we've made on it.
Where all these wires are there?
Let's make sure everybody's hooked up here.
I didn't disconnect anything. I just ripped it off the bike.
This is supposed to go in here. Won't lay it. This one's supposed to go over here. Won't lay it.
You sure? Oh, there's clips up under there. I got some of those clips. Is that what they're for?
That's plugged in. Whatever shit. See, at least it looks somewhat better. Not a gaping hole there.
I don't know. You got gaping all your sissy bars or your crash bars.
Oh, come on. I gotta be like that.
Just a couple more holes.
Alright. Goes out. This guy needs to come through the front.
Let's see here. We gotta do something about this rubber. You lost your rubber over here.
My rubber?
Let me put the rubber back in here. I'm pretty sure your rubber's bad.
Is the rubber?
Where's the little things you got? Where are they at? Where's the little hook
Top right.
Yep, there they are. Special hooky tool.
Coming from the bottom there.
Oh, it's like it's made for it. Oh, I've got the other side off too, I bet. Oh, this side was on this side. The left side issue. That was the left side issue there. Much better. How you going there in front? Is that working together? How's it doing? If I had a bolt, I could put it in for you over there. Went straight forward or an angle?
I think it goes like that.
Like an angle? Has it got dowels in the hole? I feel like a little recess it fits into. Oh, trying to hit me in the head, I saw that. Fancy ratchet. Trying to stay down, is that normal? Is that supposed to stay down,
What?
the lid?
Yeah, but I just put one of those replacements. Fucking China. I got it eBay. It's not made exactly right, but it'll pop right back up on me.
Good.
It's a great product. 5 stars.
5 stars.
They asked me to send them a picture of my problem.
Hey, your battery's fully charged now.
I got distracted somehow.
You got a fully charged battery again. It's good for one crank.
My teacher doesn't like it.
You don't like one crank battery? There you go, one cranker.
Where's that? There it is.
Alright, way back.